Hello, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa Rock Cafe sa pag-invite sa amin. Kuya Jan, salamat. Maraming salamat sa saka sa mga tropa namin na barista dito sa Rock Cafe. Salamat. Ang sarap ng kape. Try nyo kung di nyo pa natatry. Ano bang ginagawa nyo sa buhay nyo kung di nyo pa natatry yun? Wait lang. Okay lang reverb. Dapat kasama namin si Eman ngayon pero na-istakata sa ulan eh. Tayo na lang natin dumating. Check. Lakas mo konti yan man. Lakas pa konti yan. Subuko ka dyan eh, dyan sa HC. Ay, Deo, bago kami mag-start, ano pala muna, ayun, pasasalamat lang ulit muna sa Rock Cafe. Hindi lang sa event na to, tsaka sa art market, pero sa pagbigay ng ganitong platform sa mga local na artists. Katulad kanina, marami nag-open mic, di ba? Parang marami tayong mga talent dito na hindi nagkakaroon ng avenue, ng stage para tugtugan. Tapos itong mga katulad nito, ito yung mga nagiging daan para simulan yung mga ano na yun. Para maani yung mga talento na tinatago ng bawat isa sa atin. Dami ko sinasabi, natikman yung kape nila, masarap yun. Kami ang Bandang Matoke guys. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa pag-invite sa amin dito. Excited kami dito kasi mga taga-Pasig lang kami. Maliban dito, taga-Cavite to. Cavite! Pasig pa rin. Ay, iba. Ayun. Tugtog kami. Title nito. Since nandito tayo sa hometown namin, title nito ang Crossway City. Feedback konti, men. Okay. Pag nag-video kayo, tag nyo kami, tsaka yung Rock Cafe, ah. Okay? Thank you. Title nito ang Crossway City. 1. Wait, nawala ako. 1, 2, 3, 4. relationships. You're staring at the ceiling for hours until you fall asleep. You whisper something to me. I pretend not to hear you. The faces of my life seem dumb until you came around. I'll find my way back when you're gone, and I'll call you home again, 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 I walk across your city. 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 I walk across. Thank you. Kailangan mo makapo. Ay, game po. The streets tayo. The streets. GAB. Susunod na kanta, title nito, The Streets. Ay, pag naalala ko pala, nung simula pa lang kami nung mga late 2021, early 2022, naalala ko, nag-shoot kami ng parang lyric video nun eh. Tapos dito lang yun eh, sa tapat na street dito sa kabila. Ba, legends lang nakakaalam. Batang 90s na nakakaalam. Si Osley na nata nakakaalam. Salamat pala sa inyo sa mga tropa, lagi yung mga pamilyar na mukha dito. Maraming salamat guys. Kahit ang galing pa kayo sa malayo at umulan, rock pa rin. No? Title na ito, The Streets. Vitamin B. Ito ba yung ano? Ayan. Salamat pala kay Junjun. Nag-session siya sa amin ng melodica. Check out nyo rin yung banda niya, The Demerits. Yeah! Okay. Title na ito, The Streets. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly how you look like under the street lamps make sense for me. It's accepted tonight. And you held my hand, so your eyes light up. Could have sworn you should be home by 11. You weren't afraid to take her. She said, I know the streets by heart. And she said, I know the streets by heart. And she said, I know the streets. She said, I know the streets by heart. She said, I know the streets by heart. She said, I know the streets by heart. We can get lost if you want. She walked home. She walked home. She walked home. She walked home. Saba. She walked home. She walked home. She walked home. She walked home. Thank you. Galing. Galing niya pala second voice. Next na itugtog natin kasama na kay lahat sa pamilya. Hati-hati na tayo sa TF. Wala, nawala yung kape ko. Ayun. Yan yung kapo. Hindi. Yan. Ito next ang isa pang classic. Classic eh. Nung alam mo sino man eh. Classic. Kala mo 90s na ba? Hindi, yung mga unang... Hindi, actually, yung unang kanta ko na sulat. Nag-aaral pa ako dyan sa Rizalay. High school pa ako. Men, kaklase po tayo. Schoolmate! Schoolmate mo pala si Kuis eh. Shoutout pala sa mga taga Rizalay dyan, men. Nakamiss mag-ating sa Oval, no? Joke lang. Mag-aaral kayo mabuti, guys. Title na itong Fine Lines. Wait lang. Ikaw muna yun ba? Okay, sige. Jembe, parang Royal Rumble entrance eh, no? Lemon tayo, lemon. Lemon. Hindi siya A. Okay lang. Itong next song, pwede ba tulungan nyo kami? Yung lyrics na ito, ano lang siya. Tama ko, no? Okay. Title na ito, Lemon, at ganito yung chorus niya. Sana sabayan nyo ako. At mas madaling mabuhay pag ganyan ka. Mas madaling huminga. Game. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't wanna go home, even if the sun goes down. Wanted to be near you, maybe I'll just see you around. Mas madaling mabuhay pag andyan ka. Mas madaling huminga. Such a sucker for your affirming gaze, waiting to be rescued. I thought about you for days. Mas madaling mabuhay pag andyan ka. Mas madaling huminga. Acoustic, ito, ako lang muna dito. Hindi, joke lang. Ito, hindi lang pinutugtog to. Kasi, bira lang yung mga ganitong opportunity na acoustic talaga fully. Kasi, di ba, madalas, di ba, algas mo pala eh. Madalas, di ba, parang full band, alam mo yun, high energy, parang hindi mo siya mapasok sa set mo yung mga sobrang mga mas chill, mga mas laid back na mga kanta. Parang mahirap siya hanapan ng look ng spot sa setlist eh, di ba? Kaya nang hindi siya nagiging awkward. Sana hindi kami awkward gano'n, di ba? Hindi naman, no? Ito next song. Title nito, Hana. Yun! Bigyan na ng tampan badge yan. Dito, Adi. Ay, sige. Just in case lang naman. 1, 2, three, four. Isa pa. When we grow taller and I don't have to repeat, I'll play you a song and you'll know all the words. And we'll share our bed in our one-bedroom apartment, maybe a house by the beach. And I'll fall apart to the sound of your laughter, smile in your eyes, and the tears that come after. And you'll touch my hair while I'll tell you about the sadness that I couldn't keep. We are just strangers, afraid of the world. Maybe we still are, but we won't care by then. You'll know all your problems, you'll face all your fears, mend all your broken bones. Thank you. Babawi na ako. Ito na yung may soundboard din. May, bakit parang may Discord soundboard dito? Bro. Bro. Ito na yung oras na setlist na magtotono na ako. Guys, supportahan nyo lang kami para next time di ko na kailangan magtono. Papalit na lang ng gitara. Kasi parang ano yung kapag live, di ba? Parang hindi, tsaka ang awkward niya din. Lahat sila nakaganon sa'yo. Ito na parang yung sinisip nila, ito na ba yung kantan to? Ito na ba yung ano? Tapos bad trip pa to pag mapipigta lang ka pa ng string. Aray ko. Tayo ay nasa G sharp. G sharp tayo. Revise mo. Dudugtugin namin. Ito yung pinaka-latest na nirelease namin sa internet, sa Spotify. Tungkol siya sa buhay. Wow. Ay, wait. Sa paulit-ulit at repetitive na buhay.
G-sharp to may G-sharp.
Title nito Under My Skin. One, two, hindi, mabilis. One, two, three, four. Every day I walk into the door, I wait for you to come back home again. Aw. Tell me you don't want to be rich, just enough to get by. You make me smile in faces you draw, and I like you for that. You're living your minimum wage, you're not even. Tell you to it every day of the week, to week, to week. It's getting under my skin, under my skin. Like the way the inks in your skin tell your story. I didn't know that we used to live in one city. And now we write songs when we feel like we have things to say. We write songs about our cats and Hollywood, almost I too would say. Send you to it every day of the week, to week, to week. It's getting under my skin, under my skin. Send you to it every day of the week, to week, to week. It's getting under my skin, under your skin. Restart the system, I suppose. You work until you break your bones. Restart the system, I suppose. You work until you break your bones. Restart the system, I suppose. You work until you break your bones. Restart the system, I suppose. You work until you break your bones. Every day I walk you to the door, I wait for you to come back home again. Aww. The next song tungkol siya sa paghihintay, ang title nito Patiently.
A to.
Okay guys. One, two. Okay, wait lang. kami supportan, follow nyo kami. Sige. Title nito patiently. One. Ay, gano'n kabagal yun? Patiently, I'll wait. Will you call? Patiently, I'll wait. Will you see me? Eventually, you're no longer near me. I cried when you said you're happy to see me. I'll wait. Will you come patiently? I'll wait. Will you call me patiently? Thank you. Cover tayo, cover tayo. Cover tayo. Okay lang ba cover kami? Hindi namin pinractice to, ha?
Favorite song?
Huwag yun ang video, ha? Hindi, joke lang. Joke lang. Hindi namin pinractice to, eh.
What is this? Ito yung ano. G-sharp, G-sharp. Yung kanina lang yung katawan ng kanina. Parang may mais.
Huwag yun.
Pagtapos kayo, pagtasa ng banda.
Open mic mamaya, open mic tayo mamaya. Oy, Francie, open mic tayo mamaya. Shoutout sa inyo, Lian. Yeah. Kinsa mo yan. Shoutout. works kapag ano no, pag sa inyo lang yung gig, parang ano. Yung di, wag na. Cover na lang tayo, di ba na? Try nyo na lang yung kape nila ngayon, masarap yun. Sa kape to nakapangalawang ano ka na to Ito title na ito, He Gets Me So High, ni Beba Doobie.
Kaya mo ba, G-Chat? Sige, freestyle mo na lang. Hindi, wag natin na ganyan, Pasok pa tayo agad.
Ano na lang. Kahit na lang. Hindi lang natin kaya eh.
Sige. Title na ito, He Gets Me So High. Joke na yan, okay lang mag-video guys. Hindi ako magagalit. 1, 2. Ay, wait. No. Hindi ko kabisado to. wait lang. Di, okay lang naman to. Chill lang naman tayo no? Okay lang naman, di ba?
Hindi naman kami husgan, di ba?
Di naman kayo wasgahan, di ba? Game. Hindi, kantayin nyo na lang kasi hindi ko kabisado. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito, yan. Wait. Sorry. Natawa ako, mali kagad yung unang lyrics ko. Okay, sorry. Ito, take two. Delete nyo yung mga video na yan.
Pwede ba yung release mo yan?
He is my closest friend. Yung pala yan. Okay, sorry. Practice kasi yun.
Yan. Kaya mo ba sa'yo?
1, 2, 3, 4. On my side, and I wish that I'm right. He gets me so high. He gets me so high. He gets me so high. I can say it's bad, but I can't stay. Gets me so high. He gets mad and lives under my bed. It's been said that it's all just in my head. Are you feeling alive? I'll come back there to meet you. I can run anytime. I need to know that I want you. And you know that I always end up coming back to you. Gets me so high. He gets me so high. I can say it's bad, but I can't stay in my head. He gets me so high. So high. So high. So high, so high. Pinoy Pride, Viva Dubi, Philippines.
Strawberry tayo, man. Hindi sure pa. Hindi sure pa?
Okay, eto na.
Last song na.
Last song na namin. Guys, okay lang yan. May next time pa tayo dito. Ay, wala pala si Kuya dyan. Pero next time ulit. Eto, video nyo na. Solid to. Title na ito, Strawberry Girl. Skibidi Girl.
Hindi, naka-alternate ako eh. Hindi, ilagay mo na lang siya sa ano, sa, kasi F yan, di ba?
Lagay mo sa set ko.
Okay, okay. Game June, game.
Maraming salamat pala ulit sa Raka Faye. Palakpakan muna natin. Hindi, palakpakan muna natin. Tapos ano, plug ko na rin yung, siyempre yung banda namin. Matoki kung hindi nyo pa na-follow. Follow nyo kami. Gre-release kami ng malupit na release. Kung ano man yun. Malupit yun. Kami nag-produce, kami nag-record, kami rin kumanta. Walang AI na ginamit doon. Woo! May soundboard lang. Ayun, may soundboard. Hindi, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa totoong art talaga, hindi yung mga AI na art, di ba? Kasi okay lang yung AI panggawa ng assignment pero huwag niyo panggawa ng kanta. Kasi kaya tayo gumagawa ng art kasi nag-express tayo ng yung pagka-human natin eh, yung human vulnerabilities natin. Hindi mo kaya ng AI yun eh. Kaya niyang gayahin. Black Mirror, Common People, no? Season 7. Sakit mo nun. Panood nyo na ba yun? Di, yun, yung... Basta panoorin nyo lang. Common People, Black Mirror. De, okay. Maraming salamat kami ang bandang Matoki. Pakilala ko muna si Kian. Wala po muna si Kian, walang palakpak. Wala ko na lang palakpakan. Si Ken, gumana na namin si Ken. Si Jun, syempre. Babanda namin siya ngayon. Follow niyo yung banda niya, The Demerits. Mga taga Marikina naman kayo, mga taga San Mateo, gano'n. Montalban, malayo pala. Okay. Thank you for staying. At mamaya, open mic pa tayo. Hanggang 10 to. Tapos may mga artist pa. Title nito, Strawberry Girl.
Tara.
Top of the world if you give her a chance. She only knows me from another. God knows how much I wanna know her. Strawberry girl. Strawberry girl. In her bloodstream, she knows those songs I like from that obscure band. And how do you drive away this sadness? The dead end hearts are really charming mess. Strawberry girl. so much. Thank you, Raka Pay.